Hello everyone. Today I would like to share some of our old videos from past year and this year. Actually, I am going through my old videos and I found this and it made me so emotional. This video is from last year's Dasai. Yeah, we had all those memories back, and this year we're really gonna miss this Dasai. This was our last ride before our flight. We had something to do in the last day before coming in Finland. Here we were at Qatar Doha airport where we had few hours layover. We were so excited and very nervous at the same time. Finally we reached our destination, Finland, Helsinki airport. After reaching to our apartment, we had our first call and our family was super worried about us. During our stay at Helsinki, we visited some places and captured some memories there. Everything was first time for us and we were taking every single pictures and videos in various places. We were so excited there and the weather was already cold. We also went to some lawns and had some party with our Nepali brother. And yeah, we had so much fun and chilling at the same time. The interior designing inside there was really so fascinating. I couldn't stop myself from clicking photos and videos. At that moment, we were vibing with old Nepalese song, but I cannot upload with the sound due to copyright issue. Sorry. Few days before Christmas and the road was decorated amazingly. Here it was my first bus ride. We also experienced the first metro ride here. This was all up to Helsinki. I'll upload more from Kuopio.